that his question was, there was a da'i who says that we cannot make du'a in our sujood, in our salat, except with which the Prophet ﷺ used to make du'as. So any du'a in the Quran or in the Sunnah, we can make it. If we want to make a du'a of our own, this is not permissible. So this da'i says. And likewise, we cannot make any du'a in other than Arabic, because salat, we cannot say anything other than Arabic. And this is not true. You can make du'a of your own. You can formulate du'a, because Allah says, invoke me and I shall respond to you. And He did not say you should follow the following procedures for du'a. Just says, ud'uni astajib lakum. Call me, invoke me. Therefore, you can make whatever du'a you wish. Not necessarily from the Quran or from the Sunnah. Definitely, if it's from the Quran or the Sunnah, it's a higher level because it's a better quality. But sometimes we need to tailor make our own du'a for a specific thing we want. So there's no problem in that. Also, this is backed by the evidence from the Sunnah, where the ruqya, which we know is a number of du'as, verses of the Quran, sunnahs, or general du'a, can be made to heal someone who's sick or afflicted by evil eye or jinn possession, etc. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, "I'ridu alayya ruqakum." Show me the ruqya you're saying. Why? This means that they make their own ruqya, and the Prophet just wanted to make sure that there is no shirk in it, alayhi salatu wasalam. And this also indicates that this is permissible. As for Arabic, Allah Azza wa Jal is the Lord of all languages. In Salat, you cannot worship Allah except with the Arabic that was revealed to the Prophet ﷺ when it comes to saying Allahu Akbar, reciting the Fatiha, saying the Adhkar, Subhan Rabbi Azim, Subhan Rabbi Al-A'la, Sami Allahu liman hamida. These are prescribed words and phrases that you must memorize by heart, whether you know Arabic or not. But in sujood, if you want to ask Allah to heal the illness of your son and you don't know how to say that in Arabic, there's no problem at all in saying it in your own language.